for today?
Let me borrow yours.
This is what we went. You're gonna watch the video later. So this is what we did today. Watch
Hey
him.
guys, this is what we did. Side to side, side to side. Look at my feet. Look, I'm comfortable. I'm not like a robot here. Like you want to be like comfortable, like you're kind of jogging a little bit. And then we're gonna open, side, side, open, side, side, open, side.
That's all you have to do is practice this.
I can do that.
And then the other one, watch guys. Hold
Yeah,
on.
what's the other one?
The other one was like running forward, okay? Running forward. So watch my feet. Look, one foot goes over, and the other one skips.
Oh, it's like you're running, right?
Like I'm running, jogging.
Like you're jogging. Okay. Yeah.
I just did this thing like that. I didn't do it.
Look, you can do backwards.
So I was doing this and I did there.
Oh, you did? Oh,
I'm
cool.
like an alien.
Hey, can you show regular stuff?
Illegal alien.
Hey, can you do regular?
Regular?
Yeah.
So regular guy, up and down. Look, even with my rope, I'm just going up and down. And I'm timing when I'm landing, okay? So you're gonna go up and you circle with your wrist really quick. Okay, so
Watch how he does it, nice and slowly.
nice and
Show
slow,
him.
okay, so side to side. You guys know side to side. Here it goes. Hold on. Let's get the car pass by. Okay. And then we're gonna go up, down, up, down. But
See
look
how nice he does
I'm
it?
just timing it, guys.
You'll get the rhythm.
Gavin, this is what Logan, this is what you're doing.
I know.
Don't do that. That's gonna kill you, your cardio. It's gonna kill you. You're working like 4 times harder than what you need to do. I'm just going up and down, up and down. So look, guys, you guys can slow it down like this.
Yeah, do it like that, guys. I would do it like that.
Super slow. Let's try
Super
one.
slow. That's how I do it.
Super slow. Okay, very, very slow. No, slow
That's
it down.
super
slow it
slower.
down. Ready?
Let's see, Logan.
There you go.
Yeah.
I'm going like this all the
Yeah.
time.
What about if I throw it now for you?
Good, Gavin.